Hey everybody, so this is the NQ. So notice that we have this downtrend, two-legged break, and we also have to consider this uptrend right here. So this downtrend with its two-legged break, on a bigger picture, this downtrend is the break from this uptrend right here, and these two pushes higher are the two attempts at a new high for the uptrend. And so basically what we have here is uptrend, break, first attempt higher, second attempt higher, and after the second attempt, it's very common for price to fail back down. However, I was not wanting to immediately go short just because of how bullish this was, and also because these two legs up right here are very close to being a double bottom, and oftentimes it'll count as a count reset. I mean, the low is clearly higher right here, but with how big it is, it's the larger picture it is, um, you know, the bigger differences don't matter as much. Like as you zoom out, that just looks like it's getting close to a double bottom. Um, and so basically just wanted all the measured moves to be met. We had this right here, spike up, break, price started pushing up because this is its own trend from here, uptrend, break, first attempt higher, and then second attempt higher right up to the measured move. 115 ticks. That's what I've been going for lately on the NQ with these larger trades, buying the measured moves. And yeah, so I'm just going to let this trade record, and yeah, I'll see y'all later. I'm going to mute myself. Alright, and we got out pretty quickly, so I'm just going to zoom out and show overall what's going on. So we have this measured move. I don't quite have all the days loaded. It just, another day went by, and now I don't see where this measured move stems from. But we have this measured move up right here. Nearly met it right there before reversing on down, which of course gave us the break of this uptrend, and then these two attempts at a new high. And yeah, so we have this measured move met, fading down into this range right here, as well as the overnight high. And yeah, so I'm going to show you the ES real quick, which, hold on, I need to get my OBS set up. I only have it set up for one window. I'm going to pause the video so I can show you the ES. Okay, so here we are on the ES. We have this uptrend break. You can see it's a two-legged break, and then price starts pushing up to a new high. Well, at first what we have is after the break, we have our first attempt higher, second attempt higher, and then failure. So this was the failure to make a new high, and that failure makes a bigger picture second leg down. So now you have a larger two-legged break, and you can still get even larger attempts at a new high. I had this drawn out here as a possibility for the site members. I did a chart post, and of course price ends up pushing on down right here off the overnight high. And yeah, price could push out again, give a couple legs back, retesting the overnight high for a long, and reverse on out of here. But if it can't get through the highs, then we obviously have to switch gears. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the recording, and I'll start recording when something interesting happens. I'll see y'all later. Alright, just got filled. I was about to say, alright, looking to get short here. So basically, let me just get this set up, and then I will explain further. So, whoops. So basically what we have here, so from the low of the day, we have this uptrend, break, first attempt higher, second attempt higher. So we have two attempts at a new high. It's making very clear resistance off of these overnight highs right here, which this level, you know, you can adjust it around, see exactly where it is. It fits best here. It has the most touches right here. Um, and so that I'm just leaving it here. So basically the uptrend has a break, two attempts at a new high, holding off the overnight high. Now, overall, we have this uptrend, and I'm just going to kind of go over everything, the big picture stuff real quick. So uptrend, break, first attempt higher, second attempt higher, failure. That failure gave us the second leg down, so it's a two-legged break. And then basically, price is attempting a new high right here. Now, there's also this measured move in play, and it's not met yet. However, price is very clearly unable to get past this overnight high. This overnight high is clearly stronger than this measured move right here, so I was willing to go short just off of the two attempts at a new high. And yeah, I wanted the measured move to be met. It was really getting close for a bit there without reaching it until finally it just met. And yeah, so that's the idea behind this trade, and I'm just going to let it record. I will mute my mic, and I'll see y'all shortly. Hey everybody, so this trade is taking forever, so I'm just going to pause the video so I don't have to upload something that's too long. Alright, so price is finally getting some movement again. I'm just going to let this record with the mic muted again. And yeah, so I'll see y'all later. Okay, finally we are out of that. So just to kind of recap, the uptrend had a break, couple attempts at a new high at this clear resistance right here. Looks like price did make another attempt at that measured move before pushing on down. And yeah, so now we're fading back in. Could get a couple legs back up, which could give us a short on like a failed second entry pushing back in. It is 10:01 right now, so I actually got to do a post on the website, do a chart update. And yeah, I will see y'all later when something interesting happens. Although here, I'll show you the NQ real quick. Um, so here's the NQ. You can see we have a couple legs down here. And yeah, so now we have this, which on a bigger picture, that is of course just one leg going into a down channel here. So, all right, so that's what we've currently got. Same thing, could get a couple legs up, retesting this up here. But yeah, I've got to do a chart post on the site, and I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, I just wanted to pop in for a sec. Right now it's 10:33. I just wanted to kind of just talk about what price is doing right now. So you can see that price is making these two legs down, but notice how they're very thin and all fitting neatly within this pretty thin channel here. So this is not a measured move that I would be buying. I kind of just wanted to make this little clip, talk about this measured move because I know that this could confuse people, like why buy that or why go short on this measured move but not buy this one. It's because it's after a sharp reversal. The legs are thin. It's all one on a slightly bigger picture. If these were like two very clear separated legs that could not fit in the same channel down to the overnight low, then that would be a different story. But two thin legs down, all within a thin channel, that's not a measured move worth buying. So yeah, here I'll show you the NQ. So here's the NQ, kind of similar. We're going into this thin channel here. We could get a couple, I was thinking here, when price started pushing up, we could have made a second leg up, basically making a two-legged break, which could have offered something. But price has already pushed down to a new low, so it has the downtrend has a break, pushed to a new low. We could get a, like a correction here, and then a second leg down to the overnight low could give something good. But yeah, so I just wanted to make this quick little clip, and I will see y'all later. Alright, so I'm going to keep trading for about another hour, but I'm just going to go ahead and wrap up this video now. So here's what I've got on the ES. It's getting pretty slow. It's just still, pushing on lower here. We just broke this downtrend, so we could get like a two-legged break. This measured move was met. It was funny. I was just making that clip about not wanting to buy this measured move. It is taken off right there. But, it is still too thin to buy. It's not worth taking. But that could push us into a good two-legged break for this downtrend right here. So downtrend, couple legs back. We could get something if we get a good reaction. For a short, it's clearly holding off this double bottom right here. So I wouldn't want to just go short right there directly on the measured move. I would want to wait for some confirmation because that's definitely not a coincidence. There's definitely some sort of bullishness right here. So, just wanted to kind of give a quick recap. Not much movement today. I mean, we got this good trade, but basically we had an uptrend with a break, couple legs to a new high, and a reversal, and that's the whole day so far. So let me hop over to the NQ. So here we are, pushing on lower here. We just met the overnight low, started pushing on higher here. It could lead to a break of this downtrend, could even just break, make a couple legs down, and then get another long off of the overnight low. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.